Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open GCSS Army and navigate to the supply module to find the dispatch. Use the document control number DCN 123456 to locate the record quickly. Review the pick ticket and verify quantities against the physical shipment. Check the associated Form 1348-1A for completeness and signatures. Confirm attachments are uploaded, including packing list and transportation documents. Validate user roles and approvals are present before proceeding to closure steps. Reconcile inventory discrepancies and confirm stock levels before changing statuses. Set the dispatch status to closed only after reconciliation completes. Apply the correct return code RT3 or shipment code that matches supply policy. Post the closure transaction to update asset accountability and financial records immediately. Verify that transaction messages show success and no unresolved holds remain. If errors occur, capture the error code and correct the underlying data before retrying closure. Run the dispatch transaction history report and review all posted entries carefully. Save the report as a PDF and store it in the unit records for the audit trail. Notify your supervisor and attach closure proof in GCSS Army within 30 days of the dispatch date. Confirm the system displays 0 outstanding lines and shows closure confirmation. Archive supporting documents and file the Form 1348-1A copy with the dispatch record for future inspections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.